I welcome you for the biology class. Shall I ask you some questions from the last class? Okay. You can think for a while and you can answer me. Okay. What are called pathogen? What are called pathogen? Ready? One, two, three. Disease causing microbes are called pathogens. Disease causing microbes are called pathogens, which means the microorganisms which creates disease is called pathogens. Next question. Define vaccination. Ready? Ready? One, two, three. The process of protecting a body from pathogen with the help of vaccine is called vaccination. The process of protecting a body from pathogen with the help of vaccine is called vaccination. I hope you said the correct answer. You can appreciate by yourself. In today's class, we are going to discuss about how to prevent diseases that spread through air. To prevent diseases that spread through air, the patient must be kept in complete isolation. Isolation means separated from others. That's what happening in this corona situation. Isolation means the patient must be kept away and also the belongings of the patient. Belonging means their material also must be kept away. Understood? The patient must be separated from others and also their material also must be kept away. Vaccine is available for the various diseases. Example cholera, chickenpox. Okay. If you want to know the vaccination list, if you have baby at your home, okay, for an example, if you have baby at your home or nearby, you can see their vaccination schedule. They have a long schedule. Okay. So vaccination also one of the best preventive method for various diseases. Now we are going to discuss about how to prevent diseases that spread from water or food. To prevent diseases that spread from water or food, one must maintain personal hygiene and also good sanitary habits. Personal hygiene means what? Personal cleanliness. Okay, personal cleanliness and personal hygiene both also same. So what are the personal cleanliness habits? Brushing teeth, taking bath, wearing clean clothes. Okay, these are the basic good habits. And sanitary habits. Sanitary habit means proper disposal of sewage. Sewage is nothing but wastage. Sanitation means what? Disposal of human waste, house waste, industry waste in a proper way. We should not allow it to let down open into open areas. Understood? Now, have you seen the blue and green color dustbin on the road? Yes, green color dustbin refers to biodegradable waste, which means it can decompose easily. Example, vegetable waste. Blue color dustbin refers to non-biodegradable waste, which means it cannot decompose easily. Example, plastic. Decompose means what? Breakdown of larger substances into smaller substances by microbes. Okay, these microbes are called useful microorganisms. Understood? Shall we do one activity? Yes, listen the activity and you can do it later. Okay, you can keep one of the vegetable waste also and plastic also under the soil. After a week, you just check over what happened to vegetable waste and what happened to plastic. Vegetable waste easily decomposed by microbes present under the soil. Okay. So the microorganisms present under the soil decomposed the vegetable waste. But plastic, it is very tough work to microorganisms to decompose plastics. That's why we should not throw the plastic anywhere. Understood? We have to avoid using plastic bags. Some other preventive method also there. What are they? We must drink boiled water. Okay, boiled water. We must drink boiled water. We should eat properly cooked food. Understood? So what are the preventive method to prevent diseases from water or food? We must maintain personal hygiene, good sanitary habits, and also we must drink boiled water and we should eat properly cooked food. How to prevent diseases that spread through mosquitoes? Should not allow mosquito breed. Breed is nothing but producing their young ones. For that, what we must do? We must keep our environment clean and dry. Environment means surroundings. Okay, we must keep our surrounding clean and dry. Ensure that no water is stored in cooler, tire, flower pot, coconut shells. Okay, So we should not allow any water to store in cooler, tire, flower pot, coconut shells, because if the water is present there means it will start to breed. Okay, so if the water is there means what will happen? It will start to breed. So we should not allow them to breed. So what are the steps to prevent disease from mosquitoes? Should not allow mosquito breed, and we must keep our environment clean and dry. Should not allow water to be stored in the waste things like coconut shells or tire or small tank like that. Okay, next, disease caused by microbes in animals. Microbes cause diseases in plants, human and also animals. Okay, so the first picture mentioned, no, see the picture. So a disease that affects the cattle is nothing but cow, goat, ox, bull. So these are called cattle, understood? So cattle by a bacteria. So this disease is caused by a bacteria, by the bacteria name is Bacillus anthracis. So this disease name is anthraxis. Okay, so a disease that affects the cattle by a bacteria called Bacillus anthracis. This disease name is anthrax. Then foot and mouth disease in cattle. It is caused by a virus called picorna virus. Okay, FMDV mentioned, no, is nothing but foot and mouth disease virus, understood? So it is caused by virus. In the first picture, the name of the disease is anthrax by a bacterium. The bacteria name is Bacillus anthracis. The second picture shows foot and mouth disease by virus. The name of the virus is picorna virus, understood? If you have cattle at your home, you have seen some diseases. What is the next step? The veterinary doctor will come and give antibodies to them. That antibodies will cure this problem. Now this is a session for recall. In this class, we discussed about prevention of diseases spread through air, water, mosquitoes, food and water. For that, what we must do? We must eat covered and properly cooked food, drink boiled water, and must follow the proper hygiene and sanitation. Microbes caused by diseases in animals. What are the diseases? Anthrax. Anthrax by bacteria. The name of the bacteria is Bacillus bacter. And foot and mouth disease by virus. The name of the virus is picorna virus. About these only we discussed today. I hope you understood the class well. We'll continue the class in the next book reading part. Dengue. This is a female Aedes mosquito, carries a dengue virus called filavirus. Common diseases and their modes of transmission. How to prevent diseases that spread through air or contact. To prevent diseases that spread through the air, keep the patient in complete isolation. Isolation means separating from others, and keep his or her belongings away from others. Vaccination at the suitable age can prevent the onset of tuberculosis, chickenpox, polio and measles. How to prevent diseases that spread through water or food. To prevent the spread of polio, cholera, typhoid and hepatitis A, vaccination is effective. One should also maintain personal hygiene and good sanitary habits and drink boiled water. One should also eat properly cooked food to avoid diseases like cholera. How to prevent diseases that spread through mosquitoes? We can stop the spreading of diseases caused by mosquitoes such as malaria and dengue by not allowing the mosquitoes to breed. Breed means producing their young ones. We should keep our surroundings clean and dry and not let water collect anywhere in coolers, tires and flower pots, etc. We should also spray insecticides and use mosquito repellents and also mosquito nets to protect ourselves from mosquito bites. This picture shows the various diseases from various sources. Okay, so from air, the possible of diseases are tuberculosis, measles, chickenpox, polio. And by water and food, cholera, typhoid and hepatitis A. And chickenpox by contact. Vector-borne is nothing but vector originated. What do you mean by vector? Malaria, what do you mean by vector? Mosquito, housefly, okay. So the carrier, okay, the other name of vector is carrier. So carrier means housefly, mosquitoes we can say, no. So vector originated diseases are malaria and dengue. Worksheet description based on today's class. Microorganism, friend and foe. Worksheet number 4. Which one of the following is caused by bacteria? Okay, by bacteria you have to find out the disease: cold, polio, chickenpox, tuberculosis. Which one of the following is an antibiotic? Streptomycin, tetracycline, erythromycin, all of these. Bread mold is an example of bacteria, virus, fungi, algae. Dash is the bacterial disease in human and cattle: anthrax, foot mouth, citrus canker, rust. The temperature at which milk is heated in order to preserve is 45 degree, 110 degree, 250 degree and 70 degree. Air contains dash of nitrogen. So in an atmosphere, the percentage of nitrogen is 65%, 95%, 78% and 80%. So right side one type of questions are there, left side one type of questions are there. So you have to match it according to the correct answer. And now home tester, this is a 5-mark question. How to prevent diseases that spread through mosquitoes. How to prevent diseases that spread through mosquitoes. So complete your homework and submit your class teacher. Thank you, children.